If you've been playing around with AI, you might have stumbled across a weird technical sounding word, JSON. It looks like computer code, it sounds intimidating, and you probably thought, nope, that's for hackers, not me. But what if I told you that JSON is actually the ultimate cheat code for getting exactly what you want from AI? Think about going to the doctor. If the receptionist asks for your information, you wouldn't hand them a giant, rambling paragraph about your life story. The receptionist would have to hunt through your sentences just to find the facts. Instead, you fill out a structured form. It has a label and a blank space for your answer. Name, John, allergies, peanuts. That is exactly what JSON is. Just think of it as a perfect fill in the blank form that helps the AI understand you instantly. Why use this instead of just talking normally? Because when you write long paragraphs, the AI sometimes skims and misses the important stuff. JSON is perfect for when you need to be precise. It's the best way to generate AI art without the AI messing up the details, or for organizing a messy list of notes into a clean schedule. See these curly brackets? They just mark the start and the end of the form. Inside, you have your labels and your details. And here's the real secret: you can edit this yourself. If you want to change the little robot to a giant dinosaur, you just click inside those quote marks and type it in. You're in total control of the details without ever needing to learn how to code. Now, the best part, you don't actually have to write this code yourself. You just ask the AI to do it. I'll just type, turn my idea for a robot reading a book into a JSON prompt. And just like that, the AI builds the form for me. JSON isn't scary computer code. It's just putting your thoughts into organized little boxes so the AI doesn't have to guess. I have a fun suggestion for you to try. Go to ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, give it a messy idea for a recipe or a character, and ask it to turn this into a JSON prompt. Give it a shot and see how much better your results get. If this made AI feel a little simpler for you, hit subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.